Dude, that's pretty good for 1.5K.
It's alright, but right now, looking about 7. Ain't bad.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh wow, different seat.
What was last time you seen it?
Oh,
Nothing new, really. I mean, I pulled the carpet out and stuff like that.
did that help? Did you gain something with the carpet out?
Yeah, a little bit.
Awesome.
About 4/10.
That helps. All right. Could you tell me real quick what you got in here though? Like I don't know.
So right now, two DC level 5 18s.
Okay.
The M4 version, the older version. 1 Ampere 5K right now.
What is that wired to?
Half. Okay. So,
I like that. That's pretty sweet.
yeah, it's alright.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is nice. I like that. Thanks for showing me. That's pretty cool. And what is this tune to? Your port?
Like 35, 40-ish.
Okay.
Somewhere around there.
All right.
Still section, I'm not sure because I rebuilt this thing so many times. So
Yeah. Okay.
when they originally started out, it was like 44 or something. So.
All right.
So what you want to hear, something highs or lows?
What demo is the loudest?
I mean, what don't make a difference. Highs really, but
The lows. Do something on the lows with. Yeah.
fine. So.
Loudest on the lows. There you go.
I don't really play too much rebate stuff, so.
It's all right. You gotta see the back too, man. Wow.
I got 3 18s, but all 3 of them in the shop right now.
Okay.
I'm rebuilding 3 18s, 1 8K and 1 of them.
And this?
Yes.
Wow.
3
Okay.
18s, 1 8K on each sub and 1 of them.
Woo. Wow.
But I want to do 60s on roof, 37. That's it. That crazy.
How much lithium do you have?
90 amp hour C-Max.
Okay.
Just more band.
Thank you for showing me, man. Dude, that's pretty good for 1.5K.
It's alright, but right now, looking about 7. Ain't bad.
Oh. What's going on, everyone? I'm Jacob Viral. I do daily cardio YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. Pretty impressive to be able to show you how loud 5,000 watts can get in an efficient box. In this box, in his Nissan car. Done a lot of cabin work and vehicle work in order to get it as loud as it is. You're going to see the bass demo. He's going to give us 2 songs. So this was at the TDH Team Deadly Hurt show in 2021 in Virginia. Go ahead, if you haven't already, comment, give him some positive feedback on what you like about his system, as well as give him a like. He did a great job showcasing it at the show. These are really beefy DC level 5 18-inch subwoofers, rated at least 3,000 watts RMS probably, handling the power well on this 5,000 watt Ampere amplifier, which is at half ohm, so he's definitely getting all of his power out of the amplifier. That kind of helped make it as loud as it was as well. And an efficient box that he tuned a lot on, so it's not always recommended to run an amplifier down to half ohm, but he has a Korean amplifier and he knows his limits. He did a really good job to be able to make it most efficient with what he had to battle. Usually a lot of people don't realize, but you have to battle impedance rise, ohm change, where your frequency range adjusts where your impedance is on the amplifier for output. Not going to get too much explaining on that, but we're going to go ahead and get to the 2-song bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily cardio videos coming your way every day, and definitely watch to the end. The second song is probably twice as loud as the first song, and he put the window up on me. Enjoy.
Should never ever turn on.
I gotta see the back too, man. I appreciate the demo. That's pretty good, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.